Yeah, I know some tools, but I hardly ever use it.
Okay.
Are these
So
like DALI?
okay, good. Yeah, that's a good pretty cool option. Okay, let's start then. I guess we have the context. So right now in the market, we have many options, right? And we have many tools doing that. But I'd like to start talking about this main concept. This is basically with this kind of tool, you can type a description, okay? So the AI will generate for you that image. So you're gonna get that image based on what you wrote before. Okay, so here we have an example. Actually, remember we talked before about blockchain. So with this tool, with one of them, I created this picture, this image. So what I did there is I just specified, I want a street style photo slash comma Bitcoin, coin close-up shot, natural lighting, realistic, original, unique, futuristic, 4K. Okay, with that prompt, in this case, a tool called Midjourney generated this one. Okay, so that's basically the main idea. I personally don't know how to create from scratch, right? A picture. I am not a photographer, so basically now, as a developer, I can have this tool and I can create from my side those kind of pictures. So that's basically the idea, the general idea, right? You type text, then the AI will generate for you an image. Okay, so and as we know, we have many tools. One of them, for example, is DALI. This Sharpie is basically a minified version of DALI. We have Midjourney. I personally work with Midjourney, but everybody there is trying to create their own technologies, their own tools. Here, for example, Microsoft has created this one. We also have this stable diffusion tool that is also pretty cool because, okay, we're not probably talk about later, but we have now many branches, right? For example, if you don't have enough knowledge about AI, you just want to type text, so you have specific options for that. But if you know, for example, how to tune a model, or you have a specific project and you know about AI, so for example, you can use stable diffusion and you can create even a sequence of pictures. I don't know. We have many options right now. Okay, and finally, Adobe created also a tool, Adobe Airfly, I guess. I forgot.
I don't know if you, Miguel, know.
Adobe Fireflies, right?
You're right, Fireflies. Yeah, thank you.
Miguel, do you know the Shutterstock enterprise?
Yeah.
That is like a repository of images.
Yeah.
Now they have an option to create AI images within Shutterstock.
And what will happen with those kind of business models, right? Yeah. I'm not sure, probably Victor can help us better here, but I remember those kind of websites helped a lot when you tried to get pictures and actually you needed to pay for that. Now what will happen? I don't know. With that like a content. I also know a lot of designers, photographers uploaded the content there. So now I don't know what will be the business model there. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure. We need to check that.
Okay. So any questions after this? I guess we can start. I just wanted to offer the context here. I guess we can start talking about specific tools there. But sure, Lashmikant, any comments here?
No, I think, I mean, I have used most of them. I think Midjourney is doing great for me.
Which one, sorry?
Midjourney.
Mid journey, definitely, yeah. Okay, good. Let me. Okay, so let's start with this one. This is probably the. Just a second, I'm losing. Yeah, the common. The first one, I don't know. I actually don't have that information, but we started with this one, right? With DALI. So again, here is an example. We can create a, for example, I have several examples there. So if you type a prompt, okay, it's description, and if you click on generate, so the AI will generate for you several options there. Can you see it? Important here, those results are unique. So you try again and again and again, you would generate unique images every time. So that's also very important, right? Because why we are getting those results every time.
Miguel,
Okay, so
one
you
question.
click on it. You can try with variations. You can edit this one, and now you can go ahead with this idea. Okay, so and this concept is basically the same with these tools.
Miguel, one question here. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. These images are only visible to you, like you're the only one that can see this?
And these ones, yes, Dolly.
Okay.
But now after this one, we're gonna see Midjourney. I'm not sure about
Right.
that because we are in a different environment. But
Okay.
for Dolly, yeah, I am in my account. So this is basically what I created before. So that, and yeah, it's private.
Okay.
Lashmikant, I'm not sure if you know about that privacy layer with Midjourney or Alfonso.
No.
All right. Okay.
Actually, in Discord, we can create our own server. So by that, I mean, other people can't able to see that.
Awesome. Okay. Oh, but yeah, it's public, right?
Yeah, I
Or not?
think.
Okay.
I haven't used after. I mean, they have. It is a price now. It has been some price.
Okay.
I just used private.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. And yesterday that happened. This Google I/O. So they announced also they are using Adobe's Firefly. So that also happened yesterday. They announced BART finally, and you can use now BART. That's basically a new option, new alternative for ChatGPT. So please try to use now BART. So we try it a bit. I'm not sure, Alfonso, what do you think about it? But I feel right now, at the moment, ChatGPT is a bit better than BART.
Yeah, BART is pretty new. The other day I tried to use it. And for example, BART is not available to create a code, for example. It only create text only, like blog posts and those kind of things.
Yeah, but we also need to take a look, right? We also need to see what we have there. But yeah, this is also very interesting, right? When you now directly with Google, if you use the same prompt here, this one, now with Google Images, you're gonna get unique pictures. That's also interesting. So we are there. Okay, so any questions? Very good.
The one from Google is not there, like it's not live yet.
Yeah,
is
it is a bit limited. They presented that option yesterday, but the reproduction environment, it basically is just having like a text or processing text, similar than ChatGPT. But you can use it
Okay.
now. Yeah.
Oh,
But
okay, okay.
they're almost there mounting all of that, like those integrations. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, let's start then with Midjourney. I guess we can go deep with Midjourney, and we can analyze the how to create those pictures, how we can create several aspects, ratios. I think we can discover several things there.
Miguel,
Okay.
can you move the window to the top a little?
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna drag and drop a different one.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. This is Midjourney. This is AI art tool. Okay. Personally, I love to work with this one. I don't know why. We have many options, but this one at least is like has the same approach than DALL-E, but we have more options, right?
Oh, but I think it's too much better. This
Yeah,
one
than DALL-E, definitely.
DALL-E.
Yeah, definitely. So here, probably I can share with you this tutorial if you want to create from your site by yourself an account and you want to try. So basically, you need to go to Midjourney. Okay, you need to join to Discord. Then you need to actually, I'm gonna show you after this one. Select a server, a kind of channel. Okay, once you are in that channel, you need to type /imagine, then prompt, and finally there inside that box, you need to type your prompt, okay, your description. Okay, so obviously Midjourney will take time to process that job. You'll see that effect, like you will get the progress with that percentage. So you will see that behavior during that process of rendering the application. Once you have a result, you have specific options. Okay, you can upscale for example, you say, okay, I want this one. I really loved the one. Okay, so you can upscale just to get a single picture there, right? Without the rest of the results. Okay, or you say, okay, I like the third option, but I think I can proceed with variations. So you can click on B2, B3, B4, and you're gonna get, based on that, the three option, you're gonna generate, okay, in this case, Midjourney will generate more options. That's basically the process there. And here, if you have, again, for example, you selected the first one and you upscaled that picture, you can also play with saying, okay, I need now variations, or I need to light out upscale the Rito or something like that. We have many options there when I see it, but that's basically what we can do there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, first of all, I curated this picture with Midjourney. Okay, I just added AI robot tool shaping our creative world, and I got this one. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. Okay, this is Discord, and we are here in a room. Okay, so what I did there is I tried with a prompt, AI art robot shaping our creative world, and I created sorry, I can hear an aspect here, and I got those results. So this is basically what you need to do there. So for example, here we're gonna try creating a new prompt. Okay, so I'm gonna use example I have there. Let me show you. So this is the basically a chat box, right? So I'm gonna start calling the command here, right? Imagine, okay. Then I'm gonna select the prompt, okay, and then I'm gonna add a busy city street at night with bright neon signs and people walking by. If I do that, I personally don't know why they decided to use this interface. I'm not sure Lasmikan has an idea or Alfonso, but basically here is where I have sent that message, right? So I need to review where I am with my prompt. And I'll show you. Yeah, I am here. Okay, so as you can see right now, we have this percentage, 46, and Midjourney is rendering that picture. Okay, we're at 62, and meantime, you can see the rest of the designers creating their own pictures. Can you see it? So we're almost there with 93. Oh, I lost my here. Okay, this is the
Miguel.
first result. Yeah, please.
One question here. Do they have any sort of verifications not to let people write down crazy stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, we have
Okay.
an algorithm. Actually,
Okay.
if you start typing and you send it, the algorithm will verify if you are, I'm not sure, doing something bad and
Okay.
you can basically the process will be stopped.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, okay, we have this one, have those three options. Okay. Then suppose you say, okay, I really loved this one. Okay, the 4. So I can have just that one, but with a bigger the definition and with a detailed version of that. So I've clicked, if I click on it, on the U4, you need to scroll down and you'll see now I'm getting that version. Okay. Just that one. Okay. So now you have, you can say, okay, now let's try with variations. And now we're gonna create a new prompt. I need to wait again. Can you see? That's basically the interaction there. Okay. So if you wanna see your own images, you need to go to the midjourney.com. See, I'm gonna refresh a bit. I'll refresh the tab. And now you'll see my content here. Okay, so for example, you say, okay, I really loved this one. I can save the picture to my local computer, or I can copy the picture. And basically I am the owner of this one. So that's how that works. I try it with many options. So yeah, please. Go ahead.
Yes, when you are in the other page in Discord, are you also able to download other people's
Yes.
images? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you can, for example, here we have this one, and you can save the image.
Or you can click on the uniques or variations.
Yeah, and you can.
Will they know that you are downloading theirs or?
Yeah, because they, for example, if Miguel click on the V4.
Yeah. This one?
V, yeah,
Yeah.
that one. It will create a new prompt, so.
Yeah.
So
if they are looking at the chat, they can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because there was one time where I was seeing this sort of tutorial on Instagram Reels where there was like a guy saying that how he created a sort of like Disney Pixar's image of himself. But to be able to do so, and I wanted to do it for me, so I went there, I did the whole thing, but then I noticed that I needed to upload my picture first, so the AI could take that one as a reference to then create the animated version. And then I saw everyone uploading things or like AI tools creating all these images, and I was like, I don't want to upload my picture there.
Yeah, because that's a risk.
Yeah.
Then if you are there,
but,
just
but your picture is in internet, so.
No, yeah, I know, but it was weird to like, if I did
Yeah.
it, I was like, I don't know if I want to do it like everyone's images and then my picture there. It was gonna be weird, and I just didn't want to do it.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, like, is there any way that I can use this tool, but privately? That's why I asked.
Miguel, click on the chat on the input bar in the input the text area.
Yeah.
Hit / and private. It's supposed that with that command, something goes to private, but I really don't know if it works.
I think Lakshmikan was saying something about a server or something. Was that with Midjourney, Lakshmikan?
Yeah, actually, we need to create a new server, and there we need to integrate.
We have the answer.
You can't remember. Oh, you need to pay. Okay.
And actually, I'm paying, but now I need to upgrade my account. Yeah, but now with this rebate mode. That's right.
Got it.
Yeah, but it's good, right? At least we have we have an option, but we need to pay more. Yeah,
and
that's good.
Now we get the question of the ages, like, if I download it, is it mine? Is it Midjourney's? How does copyright work with these images?
You convert it into NFT and that's it.
And just sell it for like 1,000 monkey coins that are the coin that I created.
Yeah.
Actually,
yeah, that's also a big problem, right?
Binance has a new tool that uses AI image generator and then convert it into NFTs collections.
Great. Yeah, we also need that.
One more thing, Alfonso and Miguel. And we were talking about this with Edgar earlier. What about the deep fake things? Like, are they working on it? Is there any way that they can manage this type of stuff, like the Pope wearing those clothes and?
Not really, right? That's why we are getting a lot of pictures with that content.
Yeah, can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, because there is okay, sure. Okay, for example, here I have also the Discord Midjourney, and as you can see here, for example, how do you know if this is a real Lamborghini or it is a Lamborghini created by the AI? So you don't know.
No. Yeah.
And for example, Midjourney is pretty good creating people. That, for example, DALL-E is, I think, kind of bad creating people.
Limited. Yeah.
But this really looks like Trump, Donald Trump. So how do you know if it is true?
Fake. Yeah.
Yeah, or fake picture. You really don't know.
Actually, yeah.
So I think this is a very nice tool but also is kind of I mean, if you use it for bad purposes,
Dangerous.
yeah. So I also like to show you a different command. So definitely the imagine command is like the most
Common.
used
Yeah.
and popular, but there are many other commands that you can use it here in Midjourney. So I like to use the blend command because in the imagine command you only put the text and the AI will imagine a picture with that prompt, right?
Yeah.
But in the blend command, you can have more control because you can upload images. For example, I will upload this.
I didn't know that option actually. That's pretty cool.
For example, this is the Van Gogh Starry Night, and I will blend it with this DALI.
Oh, come on, really?
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
So the AI will take those two images, and it will create a new thing as of these two options. These two.
See the result.
Yeah, let's see. Let me find it.
And definitely that's not too friendly, right? You need to scroll down all the time.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Probably at the very bottom.
But you know what? You
Here.
Down.
using a lot of Discord, so probably that's why.
And there's no other way to use Midjourney than through Discord.
Yeah, I don't.
No, there is
basically the
no
option we have. Yeah.
I think you can, if you use stable diffusion, but you need to code and do those kind of things. You can have like a Midjourney. So it creates this new art, blending these two images. So I think it's pretty cool because I read this this use case. Then actually graphic designer want to have more control on the colors and the brand assets. So they use like imagine the image command to get inspiration and then blend it with the brand assets, and they have this kind of new things. So they uses this image, then the brand asset, and they have more controlled result.
Amazing.
Yeah, so they use it this Midjourney to create like these posters, like this one.
Yeah, for the UI and UX. Yeah. Amazing, because you can define a whole design system with this tool.
And do you think that blend would work with two different faces?
Yes, I think maybe if you want to know how your child is going to be, you can blend two different images.
Right.
Awesome.
Yeah, so what do you think, Gabby, about these tools?
No, I'm gonna try them again for sure. I tried once and I just didn't want to upload my picture, but for other use cases, I'll definitely try them. Yeah.
Actually,
do you both think this is the most popular or useful one?
Yeah, I think it's...
Yeah, that right now.
It's the most powerful, and for example, with persons, DALL-E is pretty bad. It looks so
Yeah,
bad. But
actually.
with Journey, with person, they look like real. So
Okay. Yeah,
I
actually, I
think
wanna
it's the most powerful.
specify that because this picture was created like 2 months ago. Okay.
Mhm.
And this one was with the version 4.
Yeah.
Okay. If we pay attention to the detail, you will
Yeah.
see here with this version 4, we have specific problems, right? Right, with the fingers, with the eyes.
The glasses.
Yeah.
So
So-
maybe you can try the same.
Yeah, I try it. Let me show you that. Hey, where's that? Oh yeah. Just a second. By default, we can just see the upscaling. Let me show you. So sorry. Try it. But I have that example there. Let me show you. Oh, come on. I created a lot. The Bitcoin. Top me, you see that one. Too bad. And where is that?
But your goal, I mean, your prompt that time, you didn't specify that you wanted real people, real.
Yeah, I didn't specify, but then several weeks after that one, I tried again, and I
Mhm.
got this one. This is the version 5. Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
Now let's see.
Right. Miguel and
That improved
Alfonso,
a lot.
are we like 100% sure that these people don't exist in real life?
Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah.
exist because it takes many photos, many pictures for persons, and then makes it all and create new thing.
Yeah.
It's pretty
And actually-
unbelievable.
Yeah. Here, for example, actually, probably Victor knows more than us about photography. But for example, you know how to specify those concepts, those descriptions. You can generate those kind of context, like for example, this one, gym style photo of a young woman, American Adidas gym, wide shot. That is more related. Probably Alfonso knows more than me. He can help me. But natural lighting, Soho shot on Aqua Vista. So if you know those parameters in a real life,
Mhm.
you can also include those parameters here, and you're gonna
Mhm.
get those results. So that's amazing.
It really is, yeah. With this AI tool, was it that everyone was like making their own versions, like their avatar versions?
Yeah, we can do that. Actually, you can also define a model. For example, there's a new command. Probably we can, because that will take time, but we can have a separate session about it. You can create a seed, okay, specifying an ID. So you say, okay, I really loved this response, this model. So you can create, get that seed, okay, and you can try changing that model in different environments. That's also
Yeah.
amazing. So I also try it, but I don't remember if I have a good example there. But I tried. Guess I have that example here. But that was with an old version here. And I know probably if we try now, it will be much better. Because those examples were with version 4.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can ask, for
tell.
example, to create a render, water, an oil painting. So you can also specify the technique that you want.
Yeah, the technique. Yeah, this is also with version 4. This is incredible, but like a real person.
It is like a real person.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Everything
and
right.
it's the same one. It's supposed to be the same one, different pose.
Not that basically we have different versions there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and also you can see here more options from the community. You can explore.
Okay.
Okay, but guess we are very close to this topic. I'm not sure you want to close this mid-journey topic. I'd like to talk about this new concept. Right now we're seeing text to image, but now we have options like text to video. Okay, so probably next session we can have that topic. And we have this tool, for example. Okay, so AI magic tools. So for example, here you can upload a video with your smartphone. Okay, and now you can say, okay, please use this video and convert it into a different animation, and you're gonna get those results. So that's also amazing. We can have now video to video, text to video. That's the next revolution we have. So basically, in the future, with your phone, I'm not sure, probably in a university, without a big equipment, you can record a scene. I'm not sure. You can record your environment, you can record your room, and you can create a movie.
Yeah.
With these kind of tools. So that's also very interesting here.
And this one is not inside Discord. It's its own page.
Yeah. This is like a private environment.
Got
Yeah.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Front way.
Yeah, I'm gonna share with you all of those links. You wanna try it from yourself. What do you think, Vic? Any comments?
So guys, I have a question. Yeah, I don't know if what do you think about if at this moment, can we use this kind of tools for professional work? Do you think that we can use it?
Yeah, definitely. I think many
Definitely.
people are working with these kind of tools. The other day, I saw a guy that sell, I think, T-shirts or teas and cups, I think, with special photos. So they said that the customer upload a picture, and then he upload that picture into Discord with Midjourney, and it creates a new thing, and then print it in the T-shirt, and they sell these kind of things.
Oh, wow, yeah.
I also saw an example there.
You won't have any copyright problems, right? At all.
Right now, we don't have those restrictions.
Actually, we don't have like a legal mark for AI. So
now the governments are working on it, right? But at the moment, I also saw an example with a guy without writing knowledge, created a whole book for child. Okay, a child book with Midjourney and with ChatGPT. So basically, this guy created the whole content with ChatGPT, I mean the text, and this guy created the pictures with Midjourney. So he had the whole content, and he uploaded that book to Amazon, because now we have Amazon Box, and you can just upload your PDF, and now this guy is selling that book in Amazon. So that's crazy, right?
It is, and no one can say anything for now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's legal. You are using it, that maybe you are paying for,
Right.
and you are using to create something, but there's no illegal content there.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So
Yeah,
this.
Can
Yeah,
I
Victor, go
show
ahead.
some of my experience on some AI tools?
Yeah, please.
Let me show my screen.
Thank you.
I mean, this example, some in a real life work. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, I am an artist also, and a graphic designer, and I have
it's amazing
experience.
drawing.
Thank you,
Thank
you, Miguel. And I have some experience in artist and a graphic designer, but I made this draw based on this picture. I mean, I copy the elements, but my own hand, and this is the result.
Because you are an awesome drawer, so you're amazing.
Yeah. I mean, this is generated by Procreate. It's a digital tool, but I made by my own hand, with my pencil. I mean.
So first you draw it by yourself, and then you digitalize it.
I draw a sketch, and after that I digitalize and draw in that all of this color in a digital way. And I made this since 1 year ago, I think. And this year I asked to I think it was Midjourney.
Yeah.
Yeah, to create similar, but equal to based in the same picture.
Okay.
And he, I don't know if we can say he.
Yeah, Midjourney. It curated.
Yeah.
That thing curated that one.
Because it's intelligence. I don't know. And it make this.
Okay.
I try with more pictures, but this is
the result.
Yeah.
It's funny that it took a girl, a woman.
Yeah. It's interesting that. Yeah.
But based on the previous one, right?
Yeah.
This is like a very American version of the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that one that's very Mexican.
Yeah, that is the contrast.
Yeah, so crazy. Oh.
And yeah, I mean, I cannot compete with this
detail
level to detail, but I don't know if Midjourney has this kind of style.
I guess so.
And that is the interesting part. I think we can create
we can try to replicate that one.
Yeah.
You can try using different prompts and be very specific, like brownie background and taking pulque and those kind of things. And maybe you can have something similar.
Yeah. We can try with many different prompts until have this picture. And in the other hand, I have another example. In a professional way. As a designer, we have sometimes we have requirements that that picture are great. It's great, but we need to remove this device, for example. And as a designer, we can use different tools, old school tools, I think. And we can make work in this way. I mean, I need to work
manually, right? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And I need to select what background, because here are shadows and here is light, and I need to
can be very wordy.
Decide. Yeah.
Pay attention. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And this is just an example. It's very quick, and I can try to work with that. With more time, I can do perfectly. But just an example. And also we can erase the girl. Yeah. But imagine how many time do I need to finish?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
is there any, have you found a tool that removes things easily?
Yeah, that is my point.
Okay.
Here, this tool is I think is very, very powerful, and also we have a different kind of tools to edit photos. But for example, we can use this and just draw the picture.
Drag and drop, and that's okay.
Yeah. Just for an example, and this is very easy because just we need to select the size of the brush, and only to select
the object.
Let's do with all of these elements.
Oh, really?
just wow. for example, all right? And we can.
Oh well, the memes about people asking for removing. People.
Yeah. For example,
will disappear.
Yeah.
For example, if my client wanted to disappear the all.
Wow.
Yeah, just and that's it. And just we need to click one click after selection, and that's it. How many time took to remove all the elements?
I mean, it's not perfect. You probably can get it
tweak again.
Yeah,
that is my point. You can
get it done better on Photoshop, but
exactly, exactly. That is my point. I use this kind of tools. It's very quick and erase everything, but we have some mistakes here and here.
Yeah.
But probably next week that problem will disappear, right? Because those things are improving a lot every time, every day.
Yeah, maybe we can.
It's also crazy.
Yeah,
that's
crazy.
exactly the tool that I was telling you about for Google. Google has that now on Google Photos. So if I take a picture and there's on a park with trees and a lot of green behind me, and there's like one person that is at the very very far away from me, but it's there. I can do exactly what Victor did, like with a brow, with my finger, I select that person and Google do the magic.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Thank you, Victor, for
you're welcome.
All of this with us. Okay, so I think if there are not any more questions, we can wrap it up for today. Anything from anyone?
So Gabby, I don't know, I'm not sure if this is related. So you do have Android phone, right?
Yes.
So I think we can do that erase part on Android as well in your picture gallery.
I'm not sure. I know that Google does it with pixels.
Yeah.
And I have the Google Pixels 6, and you can do that with them. But previous to this one, I had Google Pixel 5, I think, and with 5 I could not do it.
Okay.
So then,
I have this Samsung. What is it? 22, I think, S22, and I think I have that eraser thing on my phone.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. yeah, maybe they are taking that feature and applying it to other photo.
Yeah,
But
maybe.
so far,
What
I know
I came
that
to know
Google has
was,
it.
I think for Apple it's paid, but for me it's like free. So just wanted to check.
The advantage of having an Android.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nando.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Archana. Okay. Anyone else?
Actually, these tools are included in Google Photos. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's part of the Google Photos now. Yeah.
Yeah, great session. Thank you very much. I think it's going to really make creative work simpler.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah.
Thank you, Srini. Okay. So thanks for being here. Thanks for chatting with us and giving us your thoughts and inputs. We can see each other in 2 weeks. So thanks again and have a great rest of the day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.